saw Olama on my way out, and I know she's coming here. Please, please tell her I'm not around. Please.
Oh.
Olama. You're welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Wouldn't you ask me to sit here? You're not a stranger to this household. I can only tell that to a stranger. You're welcome.
Is Emenike around?
No. He went hunting.
On my way. When he comes back, tell him that I came around.
Are you leaving? So if Emenike is not around, you won't stay with me, eh?
Yeah. No, it's not like that. My mother sent me on an errand. I just decided to come and see him before going. When I get pick up.
Okay. So what are they wrong?
I'll deliver your message. No problem.
In fact, I love them. They are very beautiful. And the color too. Please, you make exactly this one for me.
No, I will not make this type for you. I've already started making one for you and it's more beautiful.
Emenike. Emenike. Emenike, come out. She's gone.
Chika.
Emenike, she's gone. Emenike, lately you've been avoiding Olama. Tell me, what is it?
Chika, you will not understand.
Emenike, make me understand. Tell me.
Ask him. What is the problem? Emenike, Amy, what have I done wrong to you? Where have I gone wrong? Just tell me and I will apologize, please.
Ola, the things you do these days are beyond what normal friends should do. And I'm not interested in all of them.
I see. It's because of the princess. Immediately the princess came into your life, everything changed.
Ifna has nothing to do with this.
Hey!
Emenike, do not defend her. Cast your mind back to when she was not here. Everything was just fine. Everything was fine, Emenike.
Ola, I do not love you. It's Ifna that I love. And nothing will change that. Nothing.
What is it? He has injured. injured. I can feel it. Like, Tiffany, please, will you just stop this? This is unusual.
I'm telling you the truth. I can feel it. It's not right.
If you are sure of what you're saying, let's go to his house. Are you sure he is not all right?
Certainly.
If we go there and what you are saying now is not true, what happens?
Please, let's go. We are both leaving the house. What if Father wakes up? Who will attend to him? I know he didn't eat anything before sleeping, and he needs to eat until the herbs immediately he wakes up. Who do all that for him?
Ifunaya, do not tell me you're beginning to doubt your connection with Emenike. We are going to Emenike's house, and we will not take long.
What if he wakes up?
You will not wake up. And I must eat your meal today. So let's go. What did you tell Chief?
I'm sure he knew I'll be here. True or false, Chika? It's true.
She told me you were injured. But I never believed her. And here. Both of you are so connected. I have never seen or heard of such.
Chika, stop. Let me do it myself. Oh.
Hands on me. And you cannot take care of your child. I'm sorry. Look at what your stupid and miserable attitude has caused. I'm sorry, my princess, I'm sorry.
My princess.
Stupid people all around me.
Adana, you're a woman. Women are known for their tenderness and care.
I see. So your stupid guy told you all that happened. Did he also tell you that I slapped the living daylight out of his eyes?
Adana, my sister. Adana, someday you get married. And no suitor will come knocking on the door of a heartless woman.
Uchenna, let me worry about that.
Adana, why can't you just emulate mother's legacy? The sooner you do this, the better for you.
If you were this intelligent, you would have been supporting father in his quest to conquer the 14 kingdoms around us.
Adana, you're my younger sister. I want the best for you. All I'm saying is just change your ways. Adana! Why can't you just emulate mother's legacy? Father has imbibed hatred, bitterness and wickedness in her heart. Father is leading her astray.
Did you tell the person that slapped you that you are my brother?
Yes, uncle.
You did?
Yes.
You did? Come and show me that idiot! Eh? I'm going to deal with him or her now. Come and show me the person. I don't for one. Who?
That is her.
Who? You mean Chika?
Yes, uncle.
You mean she's the one that beat you?
Yes.
She's the one that slapped you?
Yes.
What can they do?
Which you go see Chika? Which you go see? What did you do to her? I don't see you, my friend. You did something wrong. That's why she slapped you. Chika, you will get the knuckle. You know he's still a small boy. Eh? Please, I beg you. Oh, my friend, come. Let's go. You will get the knuckle. But now come. You will avoid the person that nobody before knowing. Hey, come.
Come on, come here. Did you not see me? Didn't you see me? Or is Odumodu too small that you cannot greet?
See, let me tell you. I have nothing to say to a man who intimidated our people until the gods came to save us. So I'm not afraid of you anymore. Yes.
Odumodu ifo go kwanya.
Hey! Odumodu! Odumodu! If I were you, I will not lay a finger on this girl. Listen, you better let her go. It is a pity that the terror in our land has suddenly become a vegetable. It is a pity. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, you're insulting Odumodu and you know what that means. You know what that implies. Hey. That was then. But this is now. No. Yes. Meaning that you are yet to challenge Emenike for a rematch. And since you are unable to do that, you can never come to our kingdom. Do I make myself clear? Oh no, you're daring me. Oh no, you're Listen to me. If you dare lay your hands or fingers on me, my people will kill you. And your kingdom will have nothing to say about it, knowing that already you have been bound from our kingdom. Odumodu, where lies your power? Eh? Where lies your power? You can go. It is only on women you exercise your energy. Rubbish. No, this is not happening. There is no way that rat will reduce I, Odumodu, to nothing. I will challenge and defeat him, and he will have no choice than to kill himself, just like Ichele. I am Odumodu. No man dares me and goes scot-free. Of what you're just telling me?
Yes.
Onwe buo katolaka. Onwe buo katolaka. Emenike, son of Akum, the news of your exploits is everywhere. But I've come to regain my lost glory. Emenike, I want a rematch with you here and now.
Odumodu, as you can see, I am injured. I cannot rescue you now.
Obelefa. Emenike. Obelefa. Don't tell me you're not ready to wrestle me because of this small scratch. Emenike, Confess to your sister. Tell her you were lucky the other day at the palace. And then you must concede defeat by handing over to me your neck bead and your mantle. Then I will let you go.
Odumodu. You mean I should give you my beads and my mantle? Odumodu, over my dead body. It will never happen. Wrestle me. Chika, what are you doing?
To get to you, he must defeat me.
Hey, Odumodu. Odumodu, if you go na hanya no wa, if you waganya. If I just lazily pick you up and throw you to the ground, okay, they will say Odumodu has started again. I mean, what do I stand to gain? Your neck bead? Don't think I need it.
Then you can have his beads and mantle.
No. If I defeat you, you will have to spend 3 nights in my house. No stress my bones. Cause I am Odumodu. Dikeh.
Warriors are known to be men of little words. They do more. Odumodu, wrestle me.
Again, I can see you are ready to bury your sister. Okay. I am Odumodu. I am Odumodu. Odumodu, Dikeh. Odumodu, Dikeh.
Hey! Odumodu! Eda! Okonkwo. Odumodu ada.
Hey! Hey! Adam wine. Wale ya? Hey! Why are you crying?
Come here.
Come here.
don't understand your story. Your falling is not my concern. My concern is the pot you broke. The other time, you broke my own calabash and you gave excuses. And today another pot. Why are you this? I can't stand lazy people. I can't stand lazy people. You're too this. You're too lazy. You're too lazy for my life. I can't stand it.
What kind of a human being is Adana?
A brave, intelligent, and a strong princess who detests lazy people.
Adana, what has come over you? Why you...
Need I remind you of what father told you the other time?
Adana, are you out of your senses?
I should be asking you that question.
Nonsense!
Because you slapped me!
Wicked, heartless girl!
But I must hear you!
You go to your chambers.
Thank you, my prince.
Such a heartless, wicked girl.
Uchenna, what do I do with you? You slapped my daughter in the presence of the living. You slapped my daughter. Oh, shut up and don't consider. How I wish Adana is the man. Because you are nothing but a woman. You are a total disgrace.
Father,
get out of my presence. You heard me when I said get out of my presence now. Get out before I lose my temper.
Ifunanya.
Oh, hola.
You're welcome.
Who is Ifunanya?
Ifunanya is a friend of mine.
A friend of yours that I do not know. Who is she?
Ifunanya is the king's daughter.
You mean the princess?
Oh yes.
It's okay. Is a chick at home?
No, she went out. how are you?
I'm not fine.
You're not fine, why? That reminds me. You came to the house the other day and you left without my knowledge.
Did you bother to know what made me leave?
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You're still angry, eh?
No, I'm not. And to prove to you that I'm no longer angry, I'm going to go home and prepare your favorite meal. Hope you come and eat it.
Yes, I will come. Once I'm done with what I'm doing at home.
So excited. What is it? This thing around you?
Mama, Emenike and I just reconciled our differences. He will soon be here to eat the special meal I'm going to prepare for him.
Yeah. You and this your friend, Kwa?
Mother, Emenike is not just my friend. He's going to marry me.
But I cannot remember when you told me that he has asked you to marry him.
Mama, you see, he has not really asked me to marry him. But it's all over him. I can see it and I can also smell it.
My dear, when a man has not opened his mouth to make his intentions known to you, you don't put your mind on him.
Mother.
Do you hear me? I have seen men propose, and I have also seen them deny their proposals. Not until your dowry is paid. A woman should apply some caution, because
Mother, if it's about that one, Emenike, Emim will never disappoint me. Don't worry yourself.
Are you sure?
Mama, I'm sure. He will not. You know what? Let me quickly prepare the meal before he comes.
I'm coming.
Is taking much time. What is keeping him?
Ifunanya bukwe eziokwu bukwe ifunanya nyabu love.
Emenike. Amen.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I came back and took my bath and decided to rest my head. I slept off. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Amy. I know you must be very tired, so I brought the food instead.
Okay. Darling, you can't find.
Olama is our family friend. Chika! Princess is here.
Chika! Kedu?
My princess, you're here. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, Olama. You're here.
Yes, it's not been long I came. I brought food for your brother. I made it specially for him.
May the gods of our land bless you. You're such a good friend.
Yeah, she's good.
I'm hungry. I hope you will eat. Please get me water to wash my hands. That's nice of you. Nkem. She's such a nice person.
Yeah, she's a nice person.
Olama, you're not eating. Hope all is well.
Yes.
You're such a good cook. Your husband will enjoy you.
Thank you.
The food is sweet.
I will never be intimidated. For the fact that she's the princess of this kingdom, she will never take my man away from me. Never!
I decided last night to send a mystery to King of Amago, and there is no going back on that decision.
Your Majesty, but the gods...
The gods said I should not fear. Look at me.
Your Majesty, there's nothing the gods cannot do.
Then, let them give me back my health.
That is all. That is all, young one. That is it.
What if something happens to me? Eh? What will be the fate of this kingdom? Eh? And you and I know that Obinna, my son, is too young to rule. And don't forget that this kingdom around us, they are waiting for an opportunity to invade our land.
Your Majesty.
Okoro, I am the king, and I have spoken.
Igwe.
Funaya, these beads are very beautiful.
I know. I specifically and personally made them so I can wear this bead whenever I'm going to see my Emenike.
You and this Emenike. Please, make mine for me.
I will.
Thank you. What is it?
Emenike is around.
Yeah. Oh. Keep quiet. What is your problem? I'm sure your imagination is just deceiving you. That's just the truth.
Greetings, my princess. Princess Ifunanya, Emenike is here to see you.
I told you. Why are you here at this time of the night? You're here to see me at this time of the night?
Yes, I could not sleep. I needed to see you. All I need from you now is a hug so I can sleep peacefully.
Is that why you're here with your injured leg?
Yes.
Just a hug.
Just a hug so I can sleep well. Now I can sleep well.
I love you.
I love you too. At least I can sleep well now.
You have to stop me.
It's okay.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Good night.
I love you.
I was on my way to your house. I saw you leaving the house. I followed you.
You followed me to the palace?
Yes.
Why? What again is it? You're not Chichu. Are you not afraid of the night?
Emenike, that's because I love you. I mean, I love you so much.
Ola, stop, please, stop. It's late, okay? Now, let me take you home. Ola. Ola, open this door. Ola, open the door, please.
I won't open it. Just go. Leave my house. Go.
No, I will not go until you open this door.
Please.
Ola, please, open the door. Biko, na yoga, Biko.
I won't open it to you. Tell me that you love me. Just say it. Tell me that you love me. Please. Just leave my house. No, just get out.
What if she does something stupid? No. Let me stay back.
Emenike. I hope all is well. Where is Olama?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Olama is inside sleeping.
You slept here?
I slept here. No, I did not want Olama to do anything stupid.
What happened?
You know, Olama and I, we've been friends for a long time now.
Yes, my son.
Lately, she started seeing beyond our friendship. You know where I'm going to. And that did not go well with me. And she refused. She refused to understand.
Emenike, my son, you are a good man. The gods of our land be with you. Go home. I will talk to Olama. You know?
Okay.
Just go home.
I'm going to wardrobe. I'm done now.
Okay.
Adanne, ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma, Emenike.
Kekime.
You did not go hunting. What happened?
I did not even sleep here. I slept in front of Olama's house.
Olama's house? Why?
Nemo, I went to the palace to see the princess. As I was coming back,
open the door, please.
I won't open it. Just go. Leave my house. Go.
No, I will not go until you open this door.
Please.
Ola, please, open the door. Biko, now, your guy, Biko.
I won't open it to you. Tell me that you love me. Just say it. Tell me that you love me. Please.
Hey. I pity her. She was hoping you both will end up as husband and wife. May the gods give her the strength to face what she cannot change. Because from what I am seeing in your eyes, it's different from what she's thinking.
And may the gods help her.
I saw you sneaked out of the palace. Who is he?
I did not sneak out from the palace. I took permission from Prince Uche.
Save yourself the story. I said, who is he?
And Princess, his name is Onoma. A few market days ago, came with his people and asked for my hand in marriage. And I accepted.
Greetings, my princess.
Chinasa, Did you finish your chores in the palace?
I was in the middle of it when he came.
Middle of it? Middle of it? Are you mad? Will you take it easy?
I'm sorry, my princess. My princess.
You cannot do two things at once. That is why I am relieving you of your duty. Just go. Go and get married to your... What is that his name? I don't care. Just go. Do not butt me.
I'm sorry.
As you can see, I already have your replacement, so leave. I said get out. Leave.
Princess, please, I'm sorry.
Adana, as you can see, the maiden is on her knees pleading. Please forgive her.
If she likes, let her lie on her back and shed tears. I don't care. What I know is that her service is no longer needed in this palace. So leave.
What has come over you, Adana? What has come over you? Why is thy heart as solid like a rock? Look, I am your elder brother and the heir to the throne of Amagu Kingdom. The maiden stays. Come here.
You lie. Uchenna, don't look for my trouble in this palace. Uchenna! Uchenna!
Uchenna,
Father,
after the demise of your mother, Adana took charge of everything in this palace, including the chores. So the maid leaves. Yes. Oh, shut up and listen to me. You should be more concerned about getting close to me, asking me questions about the affairs of this kingdom. But you have misplaced the priority.
Permit me to ask, Father. Are you saying what Adana did to that maid is right? What offense has she committed? She fell in love with a man and decided to marry him. Is that an offense, Father?
This is my right, and this is my left. Under normal circumstances, you are supposed to be at my right hand side. But you know why you are standing at my left hand? It is simply because you are inefficient, which is what you are displaying even right now. Adana.
Yes, Father.
Go and get me something to eat. I am hungry.
Okay, Father.
And what are you still doing here?
Oh, get out!
I wonder when you will be useful to yourself. Talk more of the kingdom.
Despite your warning that we have nothing to do with the people of Amagu, the king sent Ichieze and Okoro to see the king.
To see reason as reason is to reason reasonably, and because we have failed to do that, things are falling apart. All I see is a helpless king that is beginning to doubt the strength of the gods.
Yes.
All I am doing is what the gods ask me to do. Go home, Chenwankwo. Go! Go home, Chenwankwo. For the gods knows best.
Omekalibulu.
Tina! Don't you have respect for your elders? So you don't have respect. I was calling you. Okay, you're talking now.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What do you mean you are sorry?
I didn't mean to fall you.
You didn't mean to fall me. You are sorry. Eh?
I said I'm sorry.
Oto gen kembo to gen kebo. E pachara nyo ga to gen keto and nga like ya.
Nothing. You can go now.
But my princess, I wish to be left alone. Go. Yes,
Are you saying that Icheze and Okoro are not back yet?
Yes. But I hope they will come back today.
The herbs. Have you taken the herbs I sent to you?
Yes. But nothing seems to be working. That's why I'm waiting for them to come back with the good news.
It's all right.
Love more, odala mam, mweze o, ibodi no bi mo. Bara me gumarama, babara me gumarama, bara me gumarama, makito bugomo.
na somo repo mena walo megu obine memu poli poli mena yolo megu bara megu marama babara megu marama bara megu marama Igbo di no bi mo Egunji hogi nanya Egunji homu nanya
Oh no, I'm joking. Oh no. Did I offend you people?
Oh, not at all.
Not at all. We just finished a meeting with the Igwe.
We have been waiting since morning.
Yes.
We have to have our rest.
It's true. They will.
Father, the food is ready. Should I serve it here?
I want to be left alone.
Father, you have to eat something. You've not eaten since afternoon.
I'm not hungry. I want to be left alone.
Obina, come and help. Sent for us.
Yes.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Welcome, my son. Sit down.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Leave us. I summoned the two of you because what I want to say concerns us as a king. Concern my interest is protection of the throne in the kingdom at large. What I want to say may not be pleasing to the ear, but I've thought about it, slept over it, consulted the elders before I made my decision.
Your Majesty.
Your relationship with Ifeanyi ends now.
Father!
I'm not done yet. Ifeanyi will be marrying the Prince of Amago in 3 market days from now. You may leave now. If I come back here,
No! I deserve to be happy. I deserve to be happy.
If there is anyone to get married to the prince, it should be me. I am the first child.
It is a painful decision I have to take. You may now retire to your chambers.
Watch father take such drastic decision that is against the law of this land. We deserve to be happy. This is not right at all. It's not right.
I did not even bother about what people will say of me.
I'm not alright.
Funaya.
Hey! No, don't say it again. I know you must be pulling my legs.
No, I am serious. How can I be joking with a thing like this?
Wait, I do not understand. Has the king forgotten that it's a taboo for the younger one to get married first?
That is my confusion. Chika, I am confused. I am confused.
I know something must be wrong somewhere. No.
The king has broken the news of Princess Ifunanya's marriage to the Prince of Amago, to Emenike, and has warned him to stay away from her.
The earlier the better.
I saw him on my way to your place and he asked of my opinion. And I told him that the king's decision is final.
It is a pity. But the interest of the kingdom comes first. Have you been able to convince the chief priest and the Chienwankwo to accept the king's decision on the matter?
If I am the king, I will banish the two of them. Do you know they refused me to say a single word about the matter to them? All they kept screaming was sacrilege, sacrilege, and gods of our land. They do not know that sometimes the gods allow us mortals to take decisions of our own. Let's go. They are minority.
Ignore them. Let's go.
What is it?
So you have not heard?
Heard what?
If Naya will be getting married to the Prince of Amago few market days from today.
What are you saying? If anybody should be getting married to the Prince of Amago, it should be Adeze, not Ifunanya. Achokwam. If you are here to mock me, I don't want to.
You see, Mok, I overheard Ishie, Kano, and Madu discussing about it. Yes.
Hey, that means it's true.
But I don't know. All I know that the gods are on your side.
Nedalu, thank you very much for this information. Come and see me later. Bye-bye. Mother, the gods of our land are not asleep. Father Alarolan Chancha, hey, they heard my cry and they have wiped away my tears. Ifunanya will be getting married to the Prince of Amago in few market days from today.
Say, oh mommy, what you have just said is not possible, and that is what I told Ogo's mother at the market square.
Mother, it is true. The person that told me heard it from the horse's mouth. Mother, and you know what that means? Hey! Very soon, Emenike will have no other choice than to come back to me. Hey! Mama.
Alam, Isi or the Kwagima, I have warned you. Emenike is not interested in marrying you. All he wants is friendship. So get that into your head before you destroy yourself.
But Mama...
I do not want to hear anything concerning this matter again. Whatever the king wants to do with his family is his concern. So stay away from Emenike and Ifunanya. Obunwoke na chonwai. Obunwoke na chonwoke. Sebapo.
I wonder why Onowu and the rest will support the king in taking such a drastic decision. I went to Onowu's place, and what he did was tell me to leave so long as I'm not in support of the king's decision.
Do not blame them. It is possible they have been bought over. Or they are afraid to look the king in the eye and tell him the truth.
What do we then do?
Truth is bitter. But we shall continue to tell them the truth, no matter the circumstances.
Father.
Speak. I am all ears.
Father, it is because of the respect I have for you that I consented to marrying Princess Ufunaya in the presence of the elders of the kingdom. But I've come to speak my mind, Father. You have said your mind already. But your decision does not count here. You must marry Princess Ifunanya. But Father... Oh, shut up and listen to me. Our kingdom stands to gain a lot from the people of Ngene Kingdom. And the price to pay is your marriage to Princess Ifunanya. Shut up! I am still talking. Listen to me. Whatever you feel does not count here. What counts is the interest of this kingdom. But Father, it is not the decision of our people for me to get married to Princess Ifunanya. It is your decision, Father. You're asking me to displease myself and please you. Enough of this madness, Uche. I am your father. I am the king of this kingdom. And my word is law. Leave my presence now. I said leave my presence. Leave.
Uchenna, what is it?
Why ask when you already know?
I will advise you listen to Father. You know he wants the best for you.
The best for me? It's the best for me marrying someone I'm not in love with.
Marriage is not all about love. It is what you gain and power.
What do you know about marriage? There's no difference between you and Father, you know.
That is why I am Adana. Adana.
Adana. May the gods help whoever that will call himself your husband.
Let me worry about that.
Adama, I feel your pains. I know what you are going through, but I have no choice. The king of Amago insisted his son must marry Ifunanya. Reasons I do not know. If I refuse, there may be consequences. Look at me. Your brother is still tender. If I die without consenting to the marriage, they may invade us. If they don't, others will. What will happen to you, Ifunanya and Obinna?
But the gods
created us to make use of our brains and take decisions. If they had wanted, they would have created us without brains. So keep the gods out of this and use your brain. You may go.
You are here.
I miss him. I want to see him.
But you know that is not possible. And I think it's high time we listened to Father.
You've taken sides with him.
Ifunanya, you know that is not true. But Father is sick and Obinna is still young. He is only thinking of what becomes of us when he dies. Ify, I have accepted my fate and I beg you to do same.
I want to see him.
Ifunanya, you know I cannot deceive you.
Ifra is missing me. She's missing me. I can feel it.
I feel your pain. But please, do not go to the palace. The king will not like it. Please. And I do not want anything to happen to my only brother.
please. Listen to my cry. Wipe my tears.
Foolish is the man who wants to run away from his shadow, from his God. Oh, no, son, no, no, son. Oh, you take a
Spirit priest, possessed by the spirit of the ancestors. I should go back. Your marriage with the prince of Amago we hold. But whoever that will drink from the same cup with you on that day will be your husband.